استخدام الحزام. إذا كنتم تجلسون في درجة الأعمال يتوفر حزام الكتف في الزاوية العلوية من مقعدكم. قوموا بتثبيت الحزام في حزام المقعد. لفكه أخرجوه من المشبك.
Tampering with a smoke detector or not adhering to these directions is a criminal offense. In preparation for departure, place your luggage in the overhead stowage and any personal items under the seat in front of you. Laptops and other larger electronic devices must be switched off and secured for takeoff and landing. Handheld electronic devices such as mobile phones must now be switched off or set to flight mode. If your electronic device is damaged, overheats, or falls into your seat, do not attempt to move your seat. Call one of our cabin crew for immediate assistance.